Hey guys, the Moshi Monster Gamers here.
Hi,
The Moshi Monster.
I'm the Moshi Monster.
He's the Moshi Monster on the Moshi Monster puppy. Today we are opening a Series 2 Star Wars pack and a collector bag of Moshi Monsters, which is a red one. The Angry Birds Star Wars is what we're going to start off with. I've only pulled off the tag.
No,
not yet. This is the checklist for it. Here. I think there's, oh, right. So these are all the ones that you can get. There. And it also comes with instructions, and I'm going to use this to help me. And we got one with an orange bit. We got the Sand Trooper.
Yay, now I got one pig to knock down.
So we get this out of the baggie, but we'll have to keep it in the baggie for now, okay?
Yay.
So there's our Sand Trooper.
Yeah, I know.
And that is going to be kept in our baggie for now. And we haven't had this one, so we're not going to sell it.
Yeah, I'm the fan of Angry Birds. She's the fan of Moshi Monsters.
I'm a bigger fan of Moshi Monsters than Ollie, but Ollie's a bigger Angry Bird fan than me. Now let's open up our Moshi Monster collector bag and see who we got. I don't want to cut into it.
It comes with two more things, a collector card.
No, it doesn't come with a collector card.
Just one with two more things.
And a collector bag. So let's open this up and see who we get. Just cutting along it with my handy scissors.
I thought it came in two, but it only came in the one.
So in this red one, it didn't come with this. Oh yeah, it did. It came with a blue string. I'll just do that, and I'm just gonna quickly put out the cardboard. And we got Clueky and Professor Perfect. I didn't have that one. Oh, nice.
But we've had a clue too.
Doesn't matter. Oh, that's nice. And then you get a collector bag and our string was blue.
We already got two.
Yeah, we just filled them up with mushrooms to keep them full. But we already got a blue one and a green one. And now we're going to fill up our other one. That's awesome, guys. I'll just quickly show you the packs. So that was the collector one there. And inside of that would be where the pack was there. With the mushrooms, Professor Perfect, and Clueky. And this is the pack of the Star Wars one, and the Snow Trooper.
Not Snow Trooper.
No,
Sand Trooper.
Sand Trooper. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.